No, no. So
Yes.
like my question is like, the witness, the sakshi, what we say that I am, because this I am like, have some kind of registry. I am registering all my like, observations, where I am going and where I am coming from. The witness, does it has any registry? Will it register anything?
Will it register anything? With the mind it will. Just like with your eyes open, you can see me.
Yeah.
With your eyes closed, you cannot see me. But you still exist.
Yes.
When you're seeing me, you exist. When you do not see me, you still exist. So the I am exists in spite of whether it registers anything or it does not register anything. So it registers experiences with the mind and the senses. It will register. It will see, hear, smell, taste, touch. Because without it, no seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching is possible. So all registering is possible because of the I am. Without the I am, nothing will be possible. The next question might be, then the I am depends on the mind and the body and the senses. Is that the question?
Yeah, I'm kind of like.
Right. So I know it depends on the mind and the body. So that's the problem in Sankhya. That's a dualism. Consciousness depends on matter, matter depends on consciousness. However, in Advaita, that's not a problem. Because mind, body, world, they are also nothing apart from the I am. It's that I am which appears to itself as this objective universe. Advaita, non-duality. Whatever appears to be second, separate from you, is actually nothing apart from you. Think about the dream example. In the dream example, I am sitting and drinking a cup of tea in the park or somewhere like that. Some very beautiful scenery and everything. And then I say, it is because of I, the consciousness, with this body and the tongue, I am able to taste the tea. With this I am able to see the park. So I am dependent on the eyes and the tongue for experiencing things. But the fact is, when you wake up, you realize, I, the dreamer, was not only the one there sitting in the park and sipping the tea. I was the tea also, I was the park also, I was the sky also, I was the earth also, I was the mind and the body also. So mind, body, tree, park, sky, tea, all of that depends upon me, the dreamer. Similarly, here also, you are that one limitless awareness on which the entire universe depends. You don't depend on anything at all. Good. This is a statement of independence.